Hello, welcome to all students. This is a small introduction about the what is the invention roots about the internet. What is the need for internet actually? So then actually necessary is the root cause for invention. So normally in the 1940s there is the only information can be exchanged from one system to another system in the format of text. So after that in the 1960s there is a cold war between USSR and USA. Presently there is no cold war because all the USS and USA and USSR and USA all the democracy nation. Presently India also democracy nations. Throughout the world presently we are using information communication technology, playing major role in the information communication technology in the all major roles in the education, communication, entertainment, and different type of applied science. We are using computers are all the major role. What is the main use of internet means? Presently in the 1960s, what is the main role of actually internet means? In the 1960s there is a cold war between USSR and USA. So the USA administration wants, USA scientists wants that if the particular network fails, another network must be activated. For example, if there is a different type of servers will be activated there, the particular network will be failed, another network will be activated. That is the one of the root cause for internet. So there is a different type of servers. Normally internet IEA and internet assign name and numbers. These are the assign number and numbers is the server's location. So the server location as hide means if the particular server attacked, the network will be failed. So the servers will be located will be different place in USA, and also for example .com, .net, .org, these are all the domain names located at USA. There are different type of geographical domain names that are .in, .org.in, .res, research.in, .net.in means network oriented architecture in .org non-profit organization.in. .in means Indian organizations that are located in India. So it is located by Indian organization. .gov means only government organization in India will be located in by gov.in domains. For example, the government of India website is india.gov.in. This is a location at NIC, National Information Center. That is a National Informatics Center. That is a government of India website. So normally government of India lo government, that is the only government organization will be have the total control. So in case of the if any other private organization, they have to register with any organization, they have to register with the .in domain. .in means India, means the servers will be located in India. The name servers will located in India. So normally Indian people have their own identity that is called .in, that is Indian domain names. So normally e-governance means over the network oriented architecture. Presently we are paying the e-seva technology, that is using different places we can pay any bills over the network in the different places, that is different services over the digital network. So you can use advanced within few minutes you can pay the bills online. So that is the different e-governance projects that is used by information communication technology. So normally information communication technology, what is the role of information communication technology? For example, how we can develop the rural places. Suppose in case of rural places, if you want to develop rural places, in rural places there is a low infrastructure, even though low bandwidth. Also using low bandwidth also we can connect with the low bandwidth systems that can be located in main systems located in main cities. Over the VSAT or very small aptitude terminal, using this network we can connect with, for example, telemedicine or e-education. E-education means remote place. For example, a particular expert in particular education system, a lecturer or a assistant professor or any professor, they can give the class lectures online. The remote places also they can clear the educations on different remote places. Remote places people can also hear the classes online. They can interact with voice chat or Gtalk or any information technology, that is chat or email network. They can interact with online. So normally this is a information communication technology that is useful for education, e-medicine and e-governance and any advanced networks, advanced communication technology. Using information technology we can improve the productivity. For example, how can we improve the productivity of the particular organization? For example, if any organization, for example any education system, they want to improve the performance, they have to totally computerize the system that is called e-education software or education management software. Using education management, for example, in case of ERP means enterprise resource planning, or SAP, that is enterprise resource planning. These are the software that are useful for maintaining the particular organization. These are the new advanced communication software technology that is useful for to maintain the particular organization. So information communication technology is a major role playing in the present days. The futures, there is a advanced technology. Presently in the 1970s there is only 286 386 process. Presently we are using Intel process. Even though in the future we are using advanced technology, we cannot predict the future even though, but the totally technology is based on the communication technology. There is no paper based technology. Using communication technology totally controlled by information communication technology, even though human brain is major role playing in the communication technology. So normally in the academician, scientists and dedicated academicians, scientists and administrations, they are developing the new communication technology and information technology that can be useful for humankind. Presently we are using technology that are developing in the future. In the next 10 years there is a totally advanced communication technology using throughout the world. Everything will be passed on the network oriented architecture, that is semantic web. There is only semantic web architecture. So presently we are using the communication technology, but in India the one is the problem. For example, if you going to a rural place, if there is if the system is located in rural place, there is a computer system but there is no power. In that case we have to use the laptops, or we have to use low power laptops, so that we can improve the we can give the information to rural places also. So normally rural India is a low cost. If you develop any architecture or computer network architecture, so that we can give the more performance, more carry to rural India also. That is the one of the advanced to computer technology. In future we are using, in the future normally communication technology, mobile technology. Using communication technology we can exchange the more ideas throughout the world. For example in rural India and urban India. What is the difference between rural India and urban? So rural India is a low infrastructure. Urban India is a more advanced technologies. But in the urban areas we have to pay more money for getting any infrastructure. In rural India there is a low amount can be possible in lower in. That is the one of the advanced technology. So using information communication technology we can develop our country more compared with any other country. Normally in India we have the human power compared with around the world. In India we have the largest technical manpower and scientific manpower in India. We have to use our technical and scientific manpower, so that we are the superpower in the world. So actually what is the drawback of India people means we are facing a lot of problems. One is infrastructure, one is human resource, another one is problems with funding also. So normally in case of the funding, so there are different of organizations they are funding, but in case of the government also playing major role. But non-profit organization or any other organization, any private public organization, public private partnership also major role playing in information communication technology. That is called digital revolution. This is the introduction about information communication technology, that is the development of rural India development. This is the founder and faculty, Orugallu Computer Academy, and here Swami Vivekananda Road in Warangal city. Thank you.